Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to make collage on Instagram stories. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe how to 1 minute. So I'm going to make a dummy stories. So click on this plus icon and select story and click on layout and click on this second button and now choose your layout. So I'm going to select this one and now you can capture by clicking on this middle icon, and if you want to upload from your gallery, click on this plus icon to the left and bottom and then select your photos. Again click here and select the photos which you want to upload and then click on OK and then click on share. So this is how we can make collage on Instagram stories. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe how to 1 minute. Thanks for watching this video.